Everybody. My name is Amy Dvorak. I'm the Sustainability Director at Lewis and Clark College, and I'm happy to share with you a few things about how to get involved with sustainability at Lewis and Clark. All right, first up, we want to talk a little bit about campus life. So on our campus, we have a number of interest-related communities. Several of these have environmental and social focuses, including our environmental action, living learning community, and also our outdoor pursuits community. There are a number of other things to do on campus related to sustainability, that many of which involve sort of enjoying our natural habitat, like walking, biking trails, also exploring the city via mass transit, participating in our programs related to composting, gardening, and all kinds of other activities that you can explore. Third, we want to talk a little bit about clubs. So we have a number of clubs on campus related to sustainability and social justice. One is Garden Collective, which I show here. And Garden Collective is a group of students who use our gardens on campus. They also recently this year added a beehive to our graduate campus. And we've got two students here showing you what that looks like. We've got some other groups as well to get involved in. One is SEED, our students engaged in eco-defense. We have a bike co-op, an animal collective, a number of academic clubs and affinity groups, social justice, advocacy, and service-oriented groups. All great opportunities if you're interested in sustainability and want to get involved. Next, number 4, classes and symposium. So students who are interested in sustainability at Lewis and Clark participate in all kinds of disciplines and activities. We have sustainability related courses in environmental studies, entrepreneurship, biology, sociology, anthropology, international affairs. We have students of all interests that get involved in our classes. We also have a number of student-run symposium. And so students get involved in planning a conference of sorts. Sometimes these are single day or multi-day, and they have a large hand in shaping what the outcomes look like, who's involved, speakers, etc. Many of these, again, have sort of social and environmental themes. We also have on our sustainability webpage some courses that you can check out, as well as the symposiums if you want more information about how to get involved in academics. Number 5, leadership and service. So at our campus, we have a sustainability council, which includes faculty, staff, and students from all across the campus. And these people are sort of collectively setting the direction for sustainability at Lewis and Clark, and also just sort of getting to know each other and reaching out to the community on all the activities and programs that we have planning. This year, our big project is working on our climate action plan. So our climate action plan is about 10 years old, and we're looking at how we can approach carbon neutrality in the coming year to years and decarbonize our campus over time. Another great way to get involved with leadership and service is through our Renewable Energy Fee Fund. So we have students who serve on a committee that review grants from other students. And these grants go to all sorts of things related to renewable energy, such as internships, research programs, educational trips, and physical energy installations. So another great way to get involved in service and leadership on campus. Next, I wanted to talk a bit about work and internships. So we have several paid work opportunities in both the Sustainability Office as well as with our Sustainability Council. We also have an intern that runs our Renewable Energy Fee Fund. And we have internships off campus. So we have a summer internship course that includes sustainability internships all throughout Portland, nonprofits, government, for-profit organizations. So it's a great way to get paid work experience doing sustainability efforts. And then on that regard, how to engage in Portland. So many people love to find opportunities to get off campus, to meet other organizations that are passionate about this area. And of course, we have a great community for that in Portland. And we've had a student serve on nonprofit boards. We have students participate in different advocacy groups. We also had some students participate in protests in the last year, particularly at climate protests that are happening throughout Portland. Another great way to get involved um, is exploring the city that we live in. And lastly, I just wanted to share my contact information. So I'm always happy to help you through whatever opportunities you might see on campus, or you things that you're not sure exactly what you want to do, but you have some sense of your direction. So please come see me, and we can brainstorm about how you can get involved and what your future might look like at LC. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you soon.